After you've gone through all the process of selecting the right kind of data, choosing the right model to apply, verifying that you have no biases introduced, comes the moment of truth in which you are going to share those insights with others. A powerful way of communicating these results are visualizations. Visualizations allows you to abstract away from the complexity of the underlying data and allows you to present in a concise way the key insights extracted from it. Those insights that you are going to present should create business value. So as you can imagine, the ultimate purpose of your visualizations is to create actionable insights. And the emphasis here is on actionable. To be able to provide insights, the data must be first and foremost interpretable. This could be a challenge by itself. For instance, in the case of big data and deep learning models, there is a lot of research going on precisely in interpretability. Ideally, when one is presented with a visualization, one should be able to make immediate sense of what is being presented. On the presenter side, it makes sense to put effort so the audience can understand what is being communicated. Next is how relevant is this information for the audience. To make sure that you are delivering information that connects, we need to understand who our listeners are. Part of understanding who our listeners are lies in knowing what they expect. And more importantly, how can they act once they have this information? The data must add new value. It should add new insights. For this reason, its novelty is also important. Known information that has been understood by the audience simply doesn't add any value for them. Visualizations can have different purposes. One of them is to reinforce the belief or hypothesis that we have with new insights, so we know we are on the right path. Education is also an important function of visualizations. Through visualizations, it's much easier to understand new concepts, gain new insights, and perhaps even gain deeper insights in processes that are already taking place. Some forms of visualization also allow for interactive dashboards that enable exploratory analysis for the audience. The power of exploratory analysis lies in the experience. There is a huge difference between being just a mere spectator or actively play with the different parameters and see how the things change when we tweak them. These visualizations will only allow for actionable insights if the underlying data has the required quality. Garbage in, garbage out. If the data is bad, decisions made from this are not probably going to be great. Place the data in context so people can make sense out of it in the right situation. Recall the customer support scenario that we described a while ago. Because data was presented in the wrong context, the wrong assumptions and the wrong decisions were made. And finally, it is important to be aware of the biases included in the data. Let us go back to the quality issue. If the data that we are examining is fundamentally wrong, biased or skewed, so will be the decisions that we will make from it.